This is a brief introduction to the 3D Kitchen design software. This is the kind of design that you can quite easily achieve with the software quite quickly. So this just shows you a few of the options that are available. There are many textures, patterns for floors, walls, benches, cabinets, lighting functions and so on. This design has a small scullery option as well, so the separate rooms can be provided if you choose to. So what we'll show you is just a little bit of information about some of the very basic things to start with to help you design quickly. Your software will have been set to the specifications that you requested. However, you might decide you want different specifications in a certain design. So the first thing you would do is change some of the information that you might require to be done. So if we click on this adjusting adding preferences icon and then click on cabinet and click on to edit the current specifications, you have an opportunity here to change things that will affect the entire design. Probably an important one is position. So this is the top height of upper cabinets. You can modify that. And this is the bottom height of cabinets that sit on the floor, such as base cabinets and pantries and maybe wardrobes. So unless a cabinet has a specific set height, it will come in at these heights you specify here. So once you've changed that information, you can just click the tick and that data will apply to the current design. Another area that you might consider changing is the ceiling height, for example. So we can click on scene specifications and we can click on auto ceiling properties, and that's its height there. So the current ceiling's height set at 2700. They can be changed at any time during the design, but you may want to change them before you start. The other key things to do with managing the software quickly and well is how objects are handled. So if we click the plus sign and we're going to add some base cabinets, we can choose a cabinet and we can you'll notice that the cursor is attached to the back left hand corner of this cabinet. So if I drop it and then I want to attach another object to it, I can select the next cabinet and I'll just pick the same one again, and there's two ways of attaching. First of all, I must be holding it by the side that I want to attach to the object that I'm going to attach to. So if I'm attaching it to the right hand side of the first cabinet, I must hold the next cabinet by its left hand side, and you can see I've got that. So there's two ways of attaching. One is overlap just inside the corner and click the left mouse button to drop, or I'll just pick it up again by clicking in the corner, moving close to the object and clicking the left mouse button, and it will snap to the object beside it. So you can hold a cabinet by several positions. So back center, and then there's also each corner. So it's the center of every side and every corner. So you can see I'm cycling around those, and one in its dead center. So holding positions is important because that's how the program decides how to snap to the object beside it. So for example, you can't pick it up from the right hand side and attach it to this object. It won't attach. It'll just stay where you drop it. So you must hold it by that side. So because these are the same depth, I can hold it by the back corner, I can hold it by its center, and I can hold it by its front corner because the depths are both the same on this cabinet, and it will attach automatically. So holding, gripping and snapping are the key for any object, no matter what it is, to designing quickly and accurately.